Hello guys, today I'll show you how you can check Waze from a different location. So how you can see, we're in the Krakow now, and if you want to check any road, for example in the Warsaw, you have to center this place at the map, zoom it a little bit, and choose your starting point. For example this place. Now just hold the finger here, and click on this 3-dot icon. Now tap on the preview location, and again tap on the 3-dot icon. Now set this point as the start. Now you can select your place, like this one, and just tap on the second road. And how you can see, we are starting from the Warsaw. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.